Hey there, I'm Robert O'Keefe, President and lead broker of Rock Realty. And today we're diving into an important topic for homebuyers, especially those looking at older homes. If you've been searching for a home and come across properties with septic tanks, you might be wondering, is this a good idea? What are the pros and cons? Well, stick around because we're breaking it all down for you. Buying a new home is exciting, but if that home comes with a septic tank, there are some critical things you need to know before signing on the dotted line. Neglecting these key factors can lead to unexpected repairs, costly maintenance, and a whole lot of frustration down the road. Imagine moving into your dream home only to discover that your septic tank is failing. Suddenly, you're dealing with foul odors, slower drains, and even wastewater backing up into your home. Repairs could cost you thousands of dollars, and not to mention the stress and inconvenience of having to fix something you never anticipated. A couple I met once bought a home with a septic tank, but skipped the inspection to save time. Just 3 months later, they noticed a soggy lawn and an unpleasant smell. It turns out their drain field was failing, and the entire system needed an overhaul. Imagine a $15,000 expense you never budgeted for. Don't let this happen to you. So how do you protect yourself and ensure that your septic system is in top shape? Here are the top 5 things to be aware of when buying a home with a septic tank. Number 1, septic tank inspection. Always hire a certified professional to inspect the septic system before you buy. This inspection can reveal hidden issues like leaks, blockages, or structural problems, saving you from future headaches. Number 2, age and condition of the system. Ask the seller how old the septic tank is. Most systems last 20 to 40 years depending on maintenance. An older system could need replacement costs sooner than you think, so knowing its age helps you plan accordingly. Number 3, maintenance history. Request maintenance records. A well-maintained septic system is pumped every 3 to 5 years. If the previous owners neglected regular maintenance, you could be inheriting a system on the brink of failure. Number 4, drain field condition. The drain field is crucial because it disperses wastewater safely. Look for signs of failure like standing water, unpleasant odors, or overly lush grass in one area of the yard. These are red flags that the drain field may need repairs. Number 5, capacity and usage limits. Make sure its septic tank size is appropriate for the number of people in your household. An undersized system can quickly become overwhelmed, leading to backup and failures. Buying a home with a septic system doesn't have to be a gamble. With the right knowledge and a thorough inspection, you can ensure your new home's septic system is in great shape. And if you have any questions about buying a home with a septic system, my team and I at Rock Realty are happy to help. Visit rockrealtygroup.com to schedule a call, email us at robert@rockrealtygroup.com, or call and text us at 732-201-3765. Don't let septic system surprises catch you off guard. Be prepared and buy with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on buying and selling in New Jersey. See you in the next video.